Okay, Rumia, Tabasolo. Attempt, 2 points, Mr. Pacheco. Pacheco, M na siya. Okay, we have Suarez to Suarez, back to Suarez. Gihatag kang Francis Suarez, attempt. Follow up by Hariel Nen. Nakuha ni Kituluga sila. Nakuha ni Maynard. Maynard attack. Hindi. Nakuha ni Alpeche. Alpeche to Abasolo. Abasolo, kita pwede bulong bulan ni Dali siya. Kita kapasahan ni challenge by the player. And wala pa dyan na-achieve. Nakuha ni Mr. Suarez to Mr. Acosta. To Mr. Maynard. Maynard attack for jump shot. Hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni Ronyo. Okay, bola sa Pikas. Acosta, first is na foul. First. First team foul. Traveling violation, Mr. Rumia.
5 seconds. Pag-abot na yun, ano ko ka-chat eh.
Okay, to Patrick, to Maynard. Nakuhitan pa rin nakuha ni Ronyo. Ay, gini, untol pa dyan kapuan. Muntik na mailog yapon. Giitsa, wala na achieve. Nakakuha, bumawi agad. Si Patrick to Pipi. Attempt. Oh, sa foul counted. Tisa. 14, Mr. Pacheco. First na pa, first team foul. Substitution left. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. 4 minutes and 31 seconds.
Tingnan, ito kabilin ka sa balay.
Okay. Wait, Abasolo. Abasolo dribbling the ball. Yatag kang hindi pumasok na kuha ni Hariel Nen. Pipi to Maynard to Francis attempt. 2 points Francis. 19 all na. 4 minutes 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 6 seconds to shoot.
Sana! Ay, kuha! Oh.
5 seconds to shoot. Okay, bola sa Ramilan Sanz. 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
Huwag ko ka-chat na kay tawagaan na. Tangkan na.
Okay, to Abasolo. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala ni abot. Wala. Perfect si gatas dun. To Mr. Acosta.
Nice one!
It's a foul counted.
Balo na lang kang dula, Tex. Balo na lang kang dula.
Time out rep ang kuan.
Nagdula ka. Yan na.
Abasolo committed first na foul.
Nagdula ka. Nagdula ka.
Second team foul. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Yes. Thank you so much, SK Council of Barangay Balulang, headed by our SK Chairman, Honorable Charles Lee Piquero.
Tawag pa lang sa mga ganyan po. Kailangan si Magpetaw. Magsubot na ako na wala. Wala ko eh. Check. Lagi.
Second kung pagkuhan.
Kisa ka din. Kaya patala ko. Friend ko sa Facebook. Di ba din? Friend ako. I-stalk din ako makita yung picture. Ano na accident? Dito pa yung sister.
Okay, na pa ni Alpeche. 2 points, Alpeche. Ang atong score, 1-1 all. Labang kagwapa ni Mercy. Ganun kay Mercy. Okay, to Mr. Patrick. Patrick, nakita kapasahan. 15 seconds to shoot. Patrick challenge by Rumia. Giskrinan siya ni Holiday. Nagdadish at 10 seconds to shoot. Giatag ang Maynard. 2 points, Maynard. 2 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala, hindi umabot na po ng fetch eh. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 minutes 5 seconds. 27, jersey number 27. 27, si Kuan Alpeche.
Push natin sa biscuit.
First third.
Thank you.
First third. First third.
Nice.
First na foul, third team foul.
Shoot na 27 na 17 na din.
Jen.
1 point. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Okay, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of our homeowner, President, Engineer Kim Haskell Kagata. May hapon diyan. Sir, and to our HOA auditor, Mr. Israel. Rosendo Israel. Okay, bola sa Ramil and Sons. Jersey number 13, blocking foul. Kinsa 13? Acosta. Second personal foul, second team foul. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Violation ng Kuan.
Pabiatik.
Juan Acosta. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Nakuha ni Romia. To Mr. Alpeche, 2 points. Violation lang ha. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Mr. Francis, seconds to play. 27-23. Sakto ng score. 50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Ano to?
Rabel.
Traveling violation. Substitution rep. 43 seconds. Forty seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds. 2 points. 28 seconds. 20 seconds. No more shot clock. 15. 10. 2 points. 9.5 seconds lang po. 5.
Ay!
Time is over for the second quarter.